It's halftime and it is nil-nil. Both countries, they don't know what they want in this match, especially Portugal. How can you play 9 shots and only one on target? Like 9 shots, only one on target. You have played 6 or 7 corners in first half alone. What are they doing? And that Neto of Chelsea, he cannot even dribble any ball to him like this. Wants to cross any ball. You cannot dribble and enter the post and you call yourself a winger. Like, they need to do better in the second half. They need to be more aggressive. And the midfield, maybe because so many players are in that midfield, they don't know their designated position. They don't know what they are doing. That midfield, Portugal, you will see them. Nobody will be at the midfield. Everybody just scatter. More like every one of them wants to go and score. Ah, God. Portugal, you need to do better. Second half is upon you. Croatia, the one they want is penalty. I know that they want penalties. And it's something they know how to do very well. Please come out in the second half and do better, Portugal.